Good day, everybody. So we're tracking the tropics, and here we go. We have basically a vicious hurricane, Category 3, 115-mile-an-hour winds, Fiona, near the Turks and Caicos this morning after slamming Puerto Rico, where all the power is out this morning. Flooding still ongoing and still lashing out at the Dominican Republic. Moving northwest now, we have a tropical storm force winds extending out 150 miles from the center with the gust. Again, this northwest movement will continue at 10 miles an hour today. It becomes more intense because of the hot waters of the Bahamas, a Category 4 by tonight. Thankfully staying to the east of Florida because of a front gracefully. Then it hits near Bermuda and then finally moves out to sea. Beyond that, there is another system with a 40% chance of developing east of the Lesser Antilles. You see it here. It's projected to be near the Caribbean by this weekend. And then beyond that, there is yet another system, and this one is in the central tropical Atlantic. It has a 60% chance of developing. Ivan's the next name on the list, but it is a fish storm, so no concern.